2-minute conviction this week, team, is don't confuse opinions with instructions. You would not be surprised to know that I have an opinion on just about everything. And so when people come to me looking for advice, direction, or insight from my experience, it's not hard to give an opinion, but opinions are not instructions. And so my encouragement to you as both givers and receivers of opinions is to differentiate the two. Don't confuse them. Freely give your opinion to people, but call it as so, and help them understand that by no means are you necessarily giving advice or an instruction. When you're looking for opinions, ask specifically for that. Then there's no expectation that you must follow whatever it is they've said. Get a plethora of opinions around you, but make a strong, assertive decision of your own so that you are empowered in your own direction. That's my 2-minute conviction. Don't confuse opinions with instructions.